Hello friends and followers. So I'm hacking with RS232 control of the Omni 6. When I had the Paragon, I was able to make the Paragon basically program from Python all these different memory locations. So the Omni 6 doesn't cover as much as the Paragon, but here's the frequencies the Omni 6 can cover. So I have these now loading into memory of the Omni 6, TEC Omni 6, all these frequencies. Of course it can't do AM, which is a shame. But anyway, here's how it's working. So I have this interface into the Mac computer here, into this guy. And this interface was bought from who? This guy. There you go. Anyway, that goes on to the cable back here, RS232. This thing comes up in 1200 baud, and that's where I left it. So I set 1200 baud on the Mac end and the computer end. So now we'll do a full reset of the radio by holding down the enter key, power off, enter key, and I guess I'll bop the phone on the power button. Hold this down, hit the power button. Okay, radio's on, and now it's going. So nothing in the memories. If I hit memory tune, nobody home, right? Okay, now we'll begin to program the memories. And to do that, you first set the VFO with one command, and then you set the memory channel you want, and then the third command is you transfer it into memory. So there's 3 commands to get something in memory on this thing. Whereas in the Paragon, there was only 1 command. But anyway, here's the command sequence. So set memory channel. I go down through all these items in this list, frequencies, mode. This was the tag, but I ignored that for the Paragon. So I started channel 0, increment the channel. I'm not sure why I'm doing that. Okay, yeah, I get the frequency and the mode out. I wonder if that's working correctly. I think it is. So I'll set the VFO frequency. This I don't think is working. I'm not sure yet. Does this have a 2.4 mode? Aha! It has only a 1.8 mode, so let's try that. Because it wasn't working right. 1.8. Here we go. And then I'll convert that memory channel to the byte order, to byte code, 1 byte. And then here's the command we use for that. And the 08 is the memory select. Select the memory, send the command. What am I doing here? I think that one is sending the VFO. That should be documented. Okay. Yeah, it's a 3-step thing. Okay, well, let's try it. See if it goes. So if I run this program now, it'll start working away. There's the command codes. You'll see the radio will be setting up all the channels now. I should flick the USB here eventually. It never does, so that's bad. I think I'll use LSB down here. Yeah, so I still can't change modes. I gotta fix that. It should be going to LSB and FM at the very end here, so that's broken. Anyway, the result I wanted was to check these bands. So I want to do memory tuning. So when I hit the MT button here, it looks like I have 18 memories in here now. So memory 1, memory 2. The only trouble now is I don't have the LSB USB mode working. So this is how I do my band check if the band is active or not. Kind of cool, huh? And then if there were nets and things, I could put nets in here and stuff. I just haven't gotten that far yet. That's dead. Anyway, 40 meters. This should now say LSB and it doesn't, so I gotta fix all that. And these aren't really, these are just frequencies I had in from Las Vegas. They don't matter here in Texas. At any rate, that's it. Goes back to 1. What if you spin it fast? It kind of just clicks along, doesn't it? Anyway, that's the demo. So I got to figure out the mode. But I've never gotten this radio this far, so it's working. And the radio has been stable, pretty much. Hasn't really glitched out. It's been running for hours. And I figured out that this display is controllable by a menu. So you can say, hold down lock. And then you can say choose, 2. There's the baud rate. No, it doesn't do anything. Hold lock again. Choose 1. Announce, yeah. Intensity. Okay, there's an intensity. And I'm not sure really how to change that. That's the intensity of the LED, of this meter. You would think 15 would be high. And I'm not sure how I change it. One of these. You'd think it'd be that one. No, it's not that one. Oh, there are up-down arrows in this thing. Okay, here they are. So that's broke. Well, look at that. It does work. It looks like it's kind of broken, but it does work. So maybe that's how it's supposed to work. Because the intensity kind of matches the, these both kind of match. Alright, that's the demo. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.